Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. And welcome to the new update on Dogelon Mars. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that after breaking out a very big falling wedge pattern, Dogelon Mars was rejected by the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and this was my last video. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the rejection by this upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, within few movements you will be able to watch this cloud. And you can see that it was rejected by the upper bands, and now it is testing the support of the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. At the same time, you can see that the price line also had a spike up to this very long-term resistance of 0.0000 and $0.42. That was previously breaking as a resistance here for several weeks. And now, again, it worked as a very strong resistance. And after the breakout from this wedge, the price line also broke out this very, very huge resistance of another up channel as well. But recently, you can see that after this rejection, the price line first bounced from this previous resistance of the channel that was working as a support, and now it has broken it down and re-entered the same channel that was previously broken down. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you how the stochastic is entering the oversold zone. Previously, when it was entered the oversold zone here in the month of January 2024, then you can see that after receiving a bull cross, like when this blue line crossed up this orange line, we had a very powerful pump and the price and broke out the wedge and also broke out this channel as well. And this time, I'm expecting that if it will not break down this support of the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and it will be moving at this support, and if we will once again receive this bull cross by the stochastic oscillator, then we can expect another such reversal to the upside once again. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for OGN, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 28th of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. This was the stop loss, by the way. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm doing here, and after that it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Within few movements, you will be able to watch this move. You can see that nicely the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of Dogelon Mars. And here you can see that for the past several months, since after the month of October 2021, it was moving inside this very big wedge. And by the way, we found the resistance here, and we found the support here after this huge drop in the month of June 2022. And when the movement was quite squeezed inside this wedge, at the same time, the price then also found another up trend line support and resistance. And this was the formation of another up channel. And while moving inside this channel, the price then also broke out the resistance of this wedge as well. And after breaking out the wedge, the price then also broke out the resistance of the channel. And if I play this measurement tool when it was moving down here at this low, from this low of August 2023 up to this side, then you can see it rallied almost 351%. But the price then recently got rejected by this quite long-term resistance of 0.0000 and 006 times zeros for $2 that had been previously working as a resistance here and support here as well. And now again, it worked as a strong resistance. And at the same time, the price then also got rejected by this very, very long-term resistance of upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. You can see that previously, a few weeks ago, we broke out the lower bands and entered inside this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And for the past few weeks, it was struggling to break out the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, but not able to break it out. And now it is strongly rejected. And now it has been re-entered the same up channel that was previously broken down. Here we had a quite long-term support zone that starts from 2.5 and goes to 2.205. That had been previously working as a very, very strong support zone here for several weeks, a month. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a very strong resistance zone. And now we have again broken it down. Therefore, again, it can also work as a strong support, strong resistance for the price line. of Dogelon Mars. But at the same time, you can see we are testing the support of the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and stochastic is entering the oversold zone. Therefore, now there is a probability that soon we may see a price correction from this support of the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, or from this support of the channel as well. If it will be dropped down at the channel, then it will be dropped down at 1542, and in that situation, this previous lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud will be again flipped into a resistance for the price line. Now if you take a look at the targets, then in case of the price line breaks out this channel once again, then target for the by the way, this time the target was here at this resistance of 42, and you can see that the price line reached that target, and now it is again entered the channel. And this time, if the price line will break out the resistance, for example, from here, then target will be very close to the next resistance of 5520. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this very, very big falling wedge pattern, that is here at the top of this wedge. That is at 0.000, 5 times 0, $2276. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.